Today, I'm going to teach you how to change product image size in WooCommerce WordPress. This is particularly useful when you need to ensure your product images display consistently across your online store, maintaining a professional and polished look that enhances the shopping experience for your customers. First, open a browser on your device and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Enter your credentials carefully to access your WordPress dashboard, where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your website, including your media files. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu, where you'll find various options for managing your site. Locate and click on Media. This is where all your uploaded images, videos, and other media files are stored and organized. Once you click on Media, an expanded menu will appear with additional options. From these options, go ahead and click on Library. This will take you to your complete media library, where all your uploaded files are housed. Now you're on the media library page, and the process from here is pretty straightforward. Browse through your media files and locate the specific product image you wish to resize. Once you've found it, simply click on the image to select it. This action will open up the media details panel, giving you access to various editing options and information about that particular image. In the media details panel, pay attention to the bottom part of the image preview. You'll notice an Edit Image button positioned there. Click on this button to access the image editing tools. This is where you'll be able to make adjustments to your product image dimensions. Once the editing interface opens, look for the Scale option and click on it. This feature allows you to adjust the image dimensions by modifying its height and width values. You'll now see fields where you can input specific measurements for your image. Simply adjust the parameters to match your desired dimensions. Keep in mind that changing one value might automatically adjust the other to maintain the image's aspect ratio, depending on your settings. Once you've entered your preferred height and width values, click on the Scale button to apply these changes. The system will process your adjustments and resize the image accordingly. After the scaling process is complete, you'll need to finalize your changes. Click on Save Edits to ensure the resized values are retained and applied to your image's height and width. This step is crucial as it commits your changes to the WordPress database, making them permanent across your WooCommerce store. And there you have it. Your product image is now resized and ready to display beautifully in your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.